Physical security is changing fast. Risks are more complex, threats are smarter, and critical infrastructure is more connected. New vectors like drones, AI-driven threats, converged cyber-physical attacks are exposing gaps that need urgent attention. Visibility alone is no longer enough. Organizations need context, coordination, and the ability to respond in real time.
At CPX, we designed physical security around this reality. We help organizations build the right foundation, understanding risk, designing secure architectures, and aligning with the regulatory requirements. From there, we engineer solutions that fit the environment, from integrated surveillance and command centers to cyber-physical security that connects digital and physical layers.
We work closely with enterprises and government entities to secure high-risk, high-value environments. Traditional surveillance shows what already happened. Today, we need more. We deploy AI-driven analytics to identify threats before they escalate. Behavior analysis, anomaly detection, real-time alerting, license plate recognition across existing platforms. In Abu Dhabi, for example, license plate recognition and mobile CCTV solutions have played a key role in keeping the city safe, supporting real-time decision-making on the ground. We also design command and control systems that merge and stitch everything together. A single unified view across all sites. Clear workflows, faster, coordinated, and effective responses. And importantly, we connect physical and cyber operations so there are no blind spots between systems or teams.
What makes this work is integration, strategy, technology, and operations, working as one. With CPX and TSI tech, organizations gain clarity, speed, and control, the ability to act faster, respond smarter, and stay ahead of evolving threats. So people stay safe, assets stay secure, and critical infrastructure keep running without any disruption.